from a seed to a dream. From a corn to an industry. Fuyang is building a blueprint with a thick virtue, casting quality with ingenuity and innovating the future. For over 10 years of industrial cultivations, from manufacturing to creation, from domestic to international, from follow-up to leading. Today's Fuyang, based on modern high-efficiency agriculture and biotechnology, focuses on deep processing corn. The products cover many fields such as starch, organic acid, functional sugar, healthy food, and so on. Forming an industrial pattern integrating research, production, environmental protection, and heat supply of cornstarch, modified starch, sodium gluconate, algae sugar, gluconolactone, erythritol, and protein feed. We are drawing a brand new blueprint of Fuyang's leaping development. National High-Tech Enterprise, National Manufacturing Single Champion Enterprise, Key National Leading Enterprise in Agricultural Industrialization. Every national and provincial and ministerial honor have witnessed the extraordinary development of over 10 years for Fuyang. Today's Fuyang, integrity and virtue, gratitude and dedication. On our road of making customers more satisfied, employees happier, and life better, we stick to our original heart and forge ahead, adhering the marketing strategy of product plus solution, plus application service, plus value creation. We provide premium products and perfect services for over 40 countries and regions worldwide. Insisting on a learning enterprise, we provide a broad learning platform and entrepreneurship stage for everyone in Fuyang with the dream and courage. We play the role of a national agricultural leadership and continue to help local rural revitalization, actively participate in social charity, and show our strength at critical moments, always with a loving heart and to light up the road and warm others. Professional, focused, earnest, meticulous, rigorous, and perfect. Everyone in Fuyang casts the fine products with ingenuity and quality with craftsmanship, and has a strong responsibility brand, immersing excellence into every product process and every management detail, from raw material procurement to finished product, to the downstream customers and the public dining tables, relying on professional production, testing, and technological innovation talents. We have a well-established, comprehensive quality management control system and all-chain product traceability system. Everyone in Fuyang is determined to pursue responsibilities and courage to break through and courageous. We strive to create green, safe, and high-quality Fuyang's products for the market. Today's Fuyang adheres to scientific and technological talent support and scientific research innovation driver. We are realizing the glories of more value of corn and effectively empowering corporate development. At Fuyang Research and Innovation Center, we create a research team led by State Council Special Allowance talents and Taishan industry leading talents, and supported by doctoral and master's degree talents, forming a research model of new product development and existing product optimization. At Fuyang Institute, we cooperate deeply with over 10 famous institutions such as Faculty of Microbiology in Chinese Academy of Science and Tsinghua University, gathering many top experts to build a top think tank. At Shanghai New Product R&D Center, we create a talent enclave, tackling global frontier new products and technologies to service regional and industrial development. Integrate independent research and development with joint innovation. Fuyang undertakes multiple national and provincial level projects, participates in the writing of several national and industry standards, applied for nearly 100 national patents, and has obtained numerous technology awards, and passes many recognitions in provincial research platforms. The industrial innovation pattern of R&D, reserves, incubation, and mass production is formed. The company's sustainable development of enterprises has injected strong vitality into corporate's sustainable development. Fuyang combines frontier technology and green development into every detail. Garden-like factory, low carbon production, ultra-low emissions, and new energy utilization. We keep up with the national dual carbon policy, nurturing quality ecology with intelligent technology. Committed to building a modern and intelligent park, we possess multiple smart production lines. Automated equipment. And information management platforms. Covering all areas of operations and management, achieving online supervision of all-round business and production. A more efficient and premier Fuyang is flourishing. In the future, Fuyang will adhere to the development route of high-end, quality, and differentiation. Focus on the international cutting-edge technologies such as synthetic biology, molecular biology, and make every effort to promote the construction of high-tech projects in the fields of biomedicine, polymer materials, and healthy food. Use innovation to drive forward and use technology to draw a high-quality development of a new blueprint.